Okay, so you've seen something like this before. You should be able to find x. All right. The hard part really now is this beginning part here. Show that the two triangles are similar. That's what we're going to start with, and then after that, we're going to find the value of x. There are two parts to this question. All right. Part one, show that the two triangles are similar. We're going to start with that. We use the same method that we did with congruency. Okay. Now, can you see that the big triangle which is that one there, and the small triangle which is that one there, right? Can you see that they both share this angle there, right? So I'm going to start with that one first. So I will prove that, I will say that angle, do you remember that's our symbol for angle? Angle Q S U is equal to angle R S T. Is there any questions with that? No, we're not done yet. That's just the beginning, one rule that we're going to prove. And in brackets we'll say the two triangles share the same angle. Yeah, absolutely. A plus, Jake. A plus if you say. The two triangles share the same angle. That's the first one you want to say. There are going to be three of them because there are three angles in a triangle, aren't there?
Yep.
The second one, can you see that right angle there?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to talk about that. Now I'm going to say angle Q U T. Actually, I'll call it QUS. Same thing, right? QUS, because I want to just show that big triangle. QUS is equal to angle. Thank you. RTS. Well done. And how many? What angle is it?
Right angle.
Right angle or 90 degrees. I could just write 90 degrees, no problem. Two done. One to go. Then the last one, because we know how many degrees are there, what's the total angle in a triangle?
180.
180, right? So we can say that angle QUQS, that the one at the top there, so this one is the same as that one. It would be because they add up to 180. Okay? Because if the right angle, that 90 degrees is the same, and the one that we talked about, that one that they share the same angle, that's the same. That means that the last one, because they add up to 180, angle UQS and TRS should also be the same. Because they add up to 180. A triangle adds up to 180. The angles in a triangle. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. All right, let me write it down. So I'm going to say the last one, angle UQS is equal to angle TRS. Why? Because
They show an angle. No.
I just said it. Angles in a triangle? Good. Angles in a triangle add up to 180. Any questions with that? I can clarify. So that's done. Show that the two triangles are similar. I could say no. Actually, I can do more. Then my three dots there. What does those three dots mean? Therefore, triangle. You know that symbol is for triangle.
Yep.
Triangle QUS. It's not congruent. This time we're going to say similar. And the symbol for similar
It's 3 lines.
we'll just say it's like that. Now the 3 lines is congruency.
Yeah.
For similarity, we do a squiggly line. We say it's similar to the small triangle, which is triangle TRS. You see that?
Yep.
And then in brackets, I would say angle, angle, angle. That's the 3 angles that are the same that we just said. So what I have done, is all of this really is just showing that the two triangles are similar. I still have to find x. Do you see how it's a long question?
Yep.
So all of that is really just showing that the two triangles are similar. Now I need to do the green part. Find the value of x. This is now the easy part. Now, you know from this triangle here, I need to find x. You see x there in green? But I know that the big length of this triangle is 8, right? 4 plus 4.
9, 8.
8. 4 plus 4 is 8. So, what do I need to do when I'm using similar triangles? What's the first thing I need to find?
X. Scale factor.
Scale factor.
Yes, scale factor.
Okay, so I'm going to come here. Who's making those silly sounds? Let me catch you. I know it's Yafet or Calvin or one of you over there. Okay, listening. I'm finding scale factor like Maya or Oscar, one of you said. Okay, scale factor, SF. Hopefully you remember that means scale factor. To find scale factor, I take the known length, that big one, 8.
Yep.
Divide by the small length, 4. And my scale factor is 2. Right? Any questions with that? So I took that whole 8, divided it by the small one, 4. So that was the 8 there, divided by the 4 there, gives me scale factor. Yeah?
Yep.
Okay. Now from there, easy. Once I know scale factor, I can use that 5 to find x. But because I'm going from small triangle to big triangle, do I multiply or do I divide?
Multiply.
I multiply. If I'm going from the bigger triangle to the smaller one, I will divide. So, x equals 5 times 2, which equals to 10. And then I have found, I have found x. And that's the green part there. I used scale factor first, and then I found the value of x. A plus.
All that is one question.
All of that is one question.
That's when you're recording, sir. That's the one question. Sorry, when recording.
I was.